Hello and welcome. This is our lesson plan that I have planned out for our technology in health and phys ed. The students are going to basically collaborate outside the classroom since we have testing going on while still trying to do a unit. So what they're going to use is they're going to use Office 365 and they're going to use Planner. And so what this does is it actually allows them to kind of set up a different way of coordinating and collaborating. And so through this, they have received a rubric through It's Learning, which is kind of like our Blackboard. And they will be able to go through and do different things. And so they'll set up a to-do list. Then they'll set up where they're going to put ideas and things like that. You can actually go through and you can move different things over. And once a task has been accomplished, you can put a check mark there and it will actually move it to another area. So there's different things that the group can actually discuss through this. Their goal is to take a disease or a disorder and actually then do a presentation once we are all back together again in the classroom. So this is something that they can work on over the next couple of weeks because we will actually lose our classroom for 2 weeks. An example, let me show you an example of one of the projects that was done before. They do get, so they're using their collaborative effort on the plan. And so one of the examples I'll show you, I don't know, we'll do, I guess sickle cell will be a good one. So yeah, they do get to use PowerPoint, but that's not their only technology. Their technology is basically the planner on 365. And so Hollis and Connor would be able to go through and talk to one another based on who's doing what. Of course, my computer is slow. And so finally it pulled up. So the boys could actually go through and decide what needed to be on each slide and if there were things that could be added to each slide. So you can see that this is kind of a sample that's being started, but it still leaves a lot to what the students need to do. So going through, they could say a to-do task would be to add pictures. And so then they could say, okay, well, we know that we need to add pictures to our presentation and it's due by the 30th. So we could add that to that task, and then you could even have an area where I've got over here where you add citations. So this would be something really neat, and it's on Office 365 and it's the planner. So that's basically it. And then I'll attach the actual lesson plan in the description area in Blackboard, I think is where we're supposed to put it.